Hello, everybody.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
That's the extent of the French I'll be speaking. I'm Tom Rakocevic. I'm member of Provincial Parliament for Humber River Black Creek, which is this community, which is my lifelong home. And I am also pleased to see a dear friend of mine, Matthias Dedovitis, our hardworking public school trustee, sitting here in the front row as well. You know, I went to high school 30 years ago. I'll be 50 this year. And I got the French award back then. And I cared a lot about it in high school, of course, and I still do. My mother is originally from Quebec. French is her first language. But, unfortunately, I let the language slip. I let the language lapse. And what that means is, though I can read it and understand quite a bit, it means that I closed the door to many opportunities in my life. Though I'm a member of Provincial Parliament, if I were fluent in French, this would be much better for me too. And so I have 2 young sons, and so what did I do? My eldest is turning 8 next week. My youngest just turned 5 last week. I enrolled them in the French Public School Board. When I had time to think about it, where do I want to send my sons? I said, I want my sons to learn French. I want them to learn it fluently.
Right.
Now, my mother didn't speak French to me at home. My father was not French. My parents are of different backgrounds. And so English was the language at home. So I wanted to make sure that my son had the opportunities that I don't have in terms of the language of French. And in fact, I believe so strongly in learning multiple languages that I've been fighting to keep multiple languages alive in the Catholic School Board, which have now closed the door to that. In the Catholic School Board, there's a system where they would spend half an hour each day to learn an international language. It could be Spanish, it could be Italian. There were many, many other choices. Even some schools offering, I believe, Mandarin.